Hello, this is Anil Singh. You are for CSR representing the fifth lab experiment for case 2 lab where we have to define state chart diagrams. The aim is to draw a state chart diagram for the given application for back-management application. The discussion is the state chart diagrams, also referred to as state chart diagrams, are used to document various modes that a class can go through. It's like various classes a class can go through, and the events that cause state transition. Like it defines different state of object during its lifetime, and states are changed by events. For example, we'll take a pretty basic example, like if television is in off state and when button is pressed it goes in on state, magic. Then when we press power button again it will go to off state, again magic. In comparison of other behavioral diagrams which model interaction between multiple classes, state diagrams typically model the transition within a single class. Now, what a state diagram is, it describes the flow of a controlled state from one state to another. Like for example, states are defined as a condition where object exists and it changes when some event is triggered. So the most important purpose of a state chart diagram is to model lifetime of an object to create a termination. But before drawing the diagram, we have to actually clarify some few points. Like we have to identify the objects we need to be referred or analyzed. We have to identify the different number of states which have to be used. How are they connected? We have to identify the different types of events. So now, like what a state is, it's like it starts, like it marks the mode of an entity. Like it's like part of a class. Now transition is like how when the operation moves from one state to another. That is called an event, caused by an event. So uh, the transverse is represented by an arrow that is called transition, and the initial state is defined from where once the value has been initiated. For suppose when we is, ride a car, drive a car, we start the car, so that will be the initial state, and final state will be petrol is over. So this is the state chart diagram for the bank management system. So over here, as we can see, we ask for a withdrawal. Suppose we want to ask for a withdrawal. So we ask for a withdrawal, that is the initial state. Then we go to a transition. The transition occurs for an event, that is withdrawal request. Now we go to a next state called submit form. Then identity, like where we submit the form, and then the identification is verified. And after it is verified, we get the amount, and amount is received. After we receive the amount, we reach the final state. So hence the diagram has been explained. Thank you for watching this video.